to transfer file iPhone to your pen drive or pen drive to your iPhone. So if you have type C, then it's okay, and if you don't have type C USB, then you need to use this kind of converter. So here you can insert, here you can see I am inserting my type C pen drive. Then once insert, then go to file, then go back, then here you can see this is my pen drive option. Now open up your pen drive, go to test. For example, I want to transfer this file to my phone, then press on this three dotted line, select. If you have multiple images, you can choose multiple as well, then press on this icon. Now select copy. Now go back, and where you want to save, iCloud or my iPhone. For example, I want to save my iPhone, then select your folder. If you want to create new folder, you can also do it, new folder. Now for example, I want to paste here, then press and hold skin, and then press on paste, then image will be saved to your file. If you want to send it to your main gallery, then select your image, then select your image, then you can see the share option. If you press on save image, then it will be saved to your image gallery as well. It will be save your image gallery. Here it is. And now for example, you want to transfer file iPhone to your pen drive. The process will be same. Go to file, go to your my iPhone. For example, I want to transfer this one or this one, then select, or if you want to multi-select, then you can also do it. Press on this again, press on copy. Now go back, go to your pen drive and press and hold, paste it here. Now successfully. That's it. This is how you can easily transfer it. Don't forget to thumbs up and do subscribe. Have a good day.